Stretches. Shoulder pendulums. Side to side. Support your upper body on a sturdy chair or table. Place your feet shoulder width apart, and gently bend forward and keep your spine in a neutral position. Grab a light weight and allow your arm to hang freely toward the floor. Now slowly swing the weight from side to side in a controlled motion, and allow gravity and momentum to move your arm. Perform this for 30 to 60 seconds while maintaining control over the weight, and within a pain-free range of motion. Slowly bring the weight to a stop before placing it back down. You can combine this exercise with foam rolling to achieve maximum benefit in releasing a tight muscle. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Please support us on paypal.me.